What is a rat tree dryer when? Oh, I see.
What? Hay fever, Bob. Oh my. All right, Bob.
You're back early. Where are the others?
Bob sent me home. I've got hay fever.
Oh, you'd better take it easy, Scoop. Especially not when you're on the roof. No, we don't.
Yeah, I think so. Oh.
I see. Too busy for Spud, are you? Here, catch.
Shh. Don't wake him up, Spud. Scoop's not wet. He's got hay fever, Spud. We know that already. Spud, leave Scoop. He is allergic to hay.